big truck.
Big truck. Baby.
Want to read the baby book?
No.
No? What's wrong? I have a feeling. Should we change your diaper?
No.
Are you sure? Can you say, "We love you"? That was your first sentence.
Hey.
Your first 3-word sentence.
Truck.
Is there a truck? Oh, sock. Look, baby has one sock on.
Truck.
Just one sock.
Oh, truck.
Uh-oh. What happened to her other sock?
Truck. Truck. Oh, truck. Mommy.
Is that the baby's mommy?
Mommy.
Where's the baby's daddy?
Baby daddy.
Where is the baby's daddy?
Baby daddy.
Find him. Find him. He's in there.
Baby.
He's in there somewhere.
Daddy.
Where?
Daddy.
Where's daddy? I don't
Daddy.
see daddy. I just see a little baby with one sock.
Oh, truck.
Only one sock.
Mama.
Did you kiss the baby? That's so
Baby.
nice. Back to the trucks. Back to the trucks. Where's the bus?
Hi. In there.
Is it in there somewhere?
There.
Where?
Bus.
Where is it?
Bus.
I can't see it. Bring it here. Good boy.
Mama.
Oh yeah, more bus. That's very nice.
Here.
Thank you.
Mama. Mama.
I think that's the only bus you have. Do you have another bus?
Bus.
Okay, go see if you can find one. And he's off. We get traffic jams everywhere.